Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we've got a box that's just arrived, and we're going to unbox this one to show you guys what's come today. This video was done on the day before Father's Day, 2017. We don't always show the videos in order of when we actually shoot them, because we like to show in some sort of order of model numbers. Now this cleaner that we're opening up here is actually going to be possibly a parts cleaner.
Why?
Well, because we've already got one already, haven't we? But the other one is damaged, and we'll show you that when we do the other half of the video. So we're just going to unbox this. You're going to watch it, mate.
I've got a free co-op bag.
Got a free co-op bag. Oh, that's alright.
And we've got a Hoover bag.
Yeah, he said it's a used Hoover bag. So,
I want to carry even more. Can we carry it?
right. Well, this is a fairly modern Hoover Junior. One of the last, not the last, but one of the last ones they ever done. Carl has already got. So what is in here?
That's little cable.
No.
That's little cable.
Yeah, see, he's chucking it all over the ground again. Don't break this one, mate.
I'm not going to break that one.
Well, as you can see, this is a Hoover Junior. A few people on YouTube have got one of these. This is the second one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we had an accident in the actual where we keep all the vacuums, and we had a 1935 Art Deco cleaner. It fell on the casing. It cracked here, and it cracked on the front. We will be showing you side by side. So the idea between this two is to build a perfect cleaner. Carl was never happy. And as well, the tools that come with it as well are the cream ones that match it. He's got a black set. These are the U1104 tools. So the box is in excellent condition. We've been asking around trying to get hold of a replacement one, but we didn't want to spend too much on it because we've got a perfectly good cleaner.
And why has it got a dusting brush?
It's missing. That's alright, we've got all them. We got dusting brush. Right, so we've got that box here. So what we'll do now, we'll pause the video when we build the vacuum. We just had a long day. Well, we built this Hoover up. Like you say, this is actually a nice cleaner. Now his other cleaner that he's got, it's got a slightly different bag to it. It's more of a tartan style bag.
Yeah, that's what the handle is.
Yeah, and we've also got another cleaner with the broken handle release. The switch isn't working, so we maybe swapping parts.
Three, two, one, push.
Go on then.
Let's push it again. Right in the middle.
The bag doesn't.
It's on now.
Yeah, the bag, I guess, is an original one, and it is actually in mint condition, the bag. So overall, we're not bad. It is a good cleaner.
Push them over.
Carl's other cleaner we will be showing on the second part of this video, side by side with the other one. We're just going to show you the differences in it. But this is a more modern one, isn't it?
I understand all these pictures.
Go on then.
Sound the shy one.
It's found the nuclear testing siren.
The dot guard one. The parents dot guard.
The doctor siren. So, what's that done?
That's the car right up there.
So, if you have a look underneath here, this is actually probably one of the last. This is.
It's got a plastic base paint.
This is one of the last Hoover Juniors actually, because it is.
Or pass a big paint.
Oh, I'll tell you what, when you lift these 50s, the 50s one, the 50s and 60s ones up, and you lift these. So so it's a 1987.
Yeah.
The 6th of the 10th.
9.
So it's the 6th of October.
Yeah.
1987.
And it's painted light these. Painted
Very light. And it's got the oh, recognise
that.
it's got the turbo power 1 style aggregator, because the turbo power
All
was
the rest have not got that. All
no,
the
because your other one's still got the beta bar in it.
No, I was telling you factory my beta bought a patient bus bars, maybe that's a patient
Well,
bus
you can do
bar.
what you want. That might be a replacement. No, I think they have got the 1987 ones do come with the aggregator, because the beta bar is phased out because more and more people had less carpets, because beta bars aren't very good on hard floors, to be honest with you. It's like getting a hammer and smacking it. So we're going to fire this one up now and see.
I'm going out the back and next.
And the other interesting thing is this, it's not the original lead, I don't think, because it looks too long for a Hoover Junior. And it's also got a fitted plug lock, and I don't think that was right. But what we're going to do is this other cleaner has got the correct cable. So I will investigate. The original cable should be like a dark brown colour. So we'll fire this one up. This is a 300 watt Hoover Junior, from the high power range. I should have shoes on really.
No, I've still got a metal stand.
So overall, this is actually a lot better cleaner than his original one.
Right, it's a plastic
At the end of the video, we will get the other one side by side, just to show you what will be taken off on the video.
Or all these have got plastic stands.
They have got plastic fans, haven't they?
It's dirt sets have got metal, and the nano one's got metal stands.
Because the later ones as well also had the, like what the Dirt Searcher had, the Deluxe and the Dirt Searcher ones. That's loosened up, man.
God.
It's alright, we've got another handle. You can tighten that back up. But it's alright, I mean, like you say, I did.
Here's the handle.
And there's the actual matching tools as well. So I think those tools are the original tools that used to come with it. So it is a good find.
I